I'm Christina Cameli, and today I want to show you an easy approach to getting straight lines with free motion quilting. Both of these samples that I have over here have straight lines going either parallel or in different angles, but I made them with free motion quilting. Straight lines are really popular and a great design element in the quilting for your modern quilts, and I want to show you one way to get that done. Here you can see that I have the free motion quilting that I've done, and then I wanted to offset that with some straight lines. But if I was going to do that with my walking foot, what I would have had to do is stitch all the way to the end, turn the whole piece around, stitch to the other side, turn the whole piece around, and I didn't want to do that. So here's what I did. I got a quilting ruler and a ruler quilting foot. So these ruler quilting feet are a little bit different from your regular free motion foot. They're taller on the sides, and that is going to be, that's a safety feature to keep the ruler that you're following the edge of from slipping underneath the needle, which would be dangerous. Likewise, the rulers themselves that you would use for this are not your standard rotary cutting rulers. They're a thicker ruler that won't slip under the foot and get in the way of the needle. So the thing that you should know about these ruler quilting feet is that where they're stitching is 1/4 of an inch away from the edge of the foot. So wherever I put my ruler edge, I'm going to get stitching 1/4 inch of the way from that edge. So what I've been doing here with these straight lines is I've been lining up the ruler with the last line I quilted and then stitching as I follow that, and so my lines end up 1/4 inch apart. And I'm just going to hold that in place with one hand while I guide the ruler foot along it. And then when I get to the line of free motion stitching on the other side, I just stop and I can travel along that until I'm clear to come back. And this way, I never had to change the direction that my piece was going. Now, there's other ways that you can use a straight line ruler too. And that's to get around to provide accent to your blocks. So to start off with this, you would want to start with your needle right where you want to start your stitching. So I'm starting with my needle right in the center, or right at the corner of the block. And then choose, if I want to end up here, I'm putting my ruler 1/4 inch away so that I end up in the spot that I want to hit. Now, if I wanted to, say, come back from the middle, I would just stitch over to the place that I want to go from. And line up my ruler again and stitch back. And that's how you get straight lines with free motion quilting.